Hey there. Welcome to Nature's Health Channel. Fueling your body right is the key to achieving optimal health, and it all starts with the food you put on your plate. When you eat nutrient-dense meals, you're giving your body the tools it needs to function at its best. And that means more energy, better mood, and a stronger immune system. We've all been there. We know we should be eating healthy, but somehow it just doesn't happen. Whether it's because we're short on time, lack the knowledge of how to cook healthy meals, or simply don't have the motivation to make a change, there are many obstacles that can stand in our way. For many of us, cooking healthy meals can seem like a daunting task, especially if we're not used to spending a lot of time in the kitchen. Maybe we're not even sure where to start or what ingredients to use. And then there are those days when all we want to do is grab something quick and easy, even if it's not the healthiest option. Motivation is also a huge factor. Sometimes it's hard to stick to a healthy eating plan when we're surrounded by tempting treats and fast food options. It's easy to get discouraged and give up, especially if we don't see immediate results. And let's be real, sometimes healthy food just doesn't taste as good as the junk food we're used to. So how do we overcome these challenges and make healthy eating a sustainable part of our lifestyle? Today, I want to share with you some healthy meal ideas that will make it easy to fuel your body right. From breakfast to dinner, and even some healthy snack options, I've got you covered. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. One of my favorite healthy breakfast options is avocado toast on whole grain bread with a fried egg on top. The complex carbs from the whole grain bread, combined with the healthy fats from the avocado and protein from the egg, make for a filling and nutritious start to the day. Another great option is a smoothie bowl made with frozen berries, banana, and almond milk, topped with granola and fresh fruit. This is a great way to get in some extra fiber and antioxidants to boost your immune system. For lunch, I love a good salad with mixed greens, grilled chicken, and a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, carrots, and cherry tomatoes. The protein from the chicken, combined with the complex carbs from the veggies and healthy fats from the avocado, make for a satisfying and filling meal. Another option is a whole grain wrap with roasted turkey breast, hummus, and cucumber slices. This is a great way to get in some extra protein and healthy fats while also staying hydrated with the cucumber. Dinner is where things can get a little more interesting. One of my favorite healthy dinner options is a stir-fry made with brown rice, mixed veggies, and lean beef or tofu. This is a great way to get in some extra fiber and antioxidants while also getting a good dose of protein to help with muscle recovery. Another option is a baked salmon fillet with roasted vegetables and quinoa. This is a great way to get in some extra omega-3s, which are great for heart health and brain function. Now, I want to highlight one standout meal idea that really exemplifies optimal nutrition. One of my favorite meals is a bowl made with quinoa, roasted vegetables, and grilled chicken, topped with a fried egg and a drizzle of tahini sauce. This meal is a perfect combination of complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats, and is packed with fiber and antioxidants to support overall health. The quinoa provides a complete protein, while the roasted veggies add in some extra fiber and antioxidants. The grilled chicken provides even more protein, and the fried egg adds in some extra healthy fats. In conclusion, fueling your body right is essential for achieving optimal health, and it all starts with the food you put on your plate. By incorporating these healthy meal ideas into your daily routine, you can expect to see improvements in your energy levels, mood, and overall health. Thanks for watching, and be sure to comment below with your favorite healthy meal ideas. If you're looking for more meal prep inspiration, be sure to check out my next video where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tips and tricks for meal prepping like a pro.